People tell you, time heals everything. They tell you, just wait, you'll grow with age. But let me ask you something. If time alone created growth, why are there 50-year-olds still making the same mistakes they made at 20? Why are there people sitting in jobs they hate, relationships that drain them, lives that never move forward, even after decades of time has passed? The truth? Time does not grow you. Reality does. Facing it, understanding it, owning it. And until you open your eyes, until you confront reality head-on, you will live in the same loop, day after day, year after year. So I ask you, are you ready to stop waiting for time to save you and start growing by seeing reality for what it truly is?
Here's the struggle most of you are living in right now. You think life will fix itself. You think maturity just shows up with birthdays. You tell yourself, when I'm 30, I'll have it all figured out. When I'm older, I'll be wiser. But look around. That's not how it works. Time doesn't give you wisdom. Pain does. Mistakes do. Reality does. Yet here's the trap. Most people run from reality. They hide from the truth. They numb themselves with distractions. They scroll endlessly. They drink, they smoke, they party, they binge, just to avoid looking in the mirror. And then they wonder why nothing changes. You've been frustrated. You've felt stuck. You've asked yourself, why am I not growing? Why do I keep ending up in the same situations? It's because you've been waiting for time instead of facing truth. Time is passive. Reality is active. And if you don't confront reality, reality will confront you. You know this feeling, that quiet voice in your head saying, I can't keep living like this. That's reality whispering to you. And the longer you ignore it, the louder it gets until it breaks you. Let me show you how this works. Business example. Take Elon Musk. Whether you love him or hate him, one thing is clear. He didn't grow by time. He grew by facing reality. When Tesla was weeks from bankruptcy, he didn't say, well, maybe in 10 years this will sort itself out. No. He stared reality dead in the face, saw the truth, and worked every single hour to turn it around. That wasn't time. That was truth. Sports example. Look at Michael Jordan, the greatest of all time. He didn't grow because years passed. He grew because after being cut from his high school basketball team, he faced the brutal reality. You're not good enough yet. And instead of running from that truth, he embraced it, obsessed over it, and turned it into fuel. Social change example. Think about Martin Luther King Jr. He didn't wait for time to fix inequality. He faced the harsh, ugly reality of his era and stood in front of it, unshaken. Growth came from truth, not waiting. Personal life example. Maybe you know someone, maybe it's even you, who stayed in a toxic relationship, telling yourself, it'll get better with time. But years passed, and it didn't. Because the problem wasn't time. The problem was refusing to see the reality. They will not change, and neither will you until you face it. See it clearly. Reality grows you. Denial kills you.
And that's why some people can live 100 years and never truly grow, while others face reality once and change forever. So how do you grow by understanding reality? Let me give you the steps. Step 1. Stop lying to yourself. Growth begins when you stop telling yourself stories and start confronting facts. Ask yourself, what's not working in my life? Write it down. Be raw, be ruthless. Step 2. Face the pain. Reality hurts, but pain is the teacher. Don't numb it, don't run from it. Sit in it, feel it, and let it guide you. Step 3. Seek truth, not comfort. Stop surrounding yourself with people who tell you what you want to hear. Find people who tell you what you need to hear. Mentors, coaches, friends who hold you accountable. Step 4. Take action immediately. When you see reality clearly, move. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for time. Action transforms reality into growth. Step 5. Keep adjusting. Growth isn't a one-time event. It's constant. The more you face reality, the more you'll evolve. The more you evolve, the stronger you get. And when you live like this, when reality becomes your fuel, you stop fearing time. Because you're no longer waiting, you're building. This is how you take back control. Not by waiting for birthdays, but by breaking the illusions and walking straight into truth.
So now I ask you, are you going to keep waiting for time to fix your life? Or are you going to face reality and start growing today? Because here's the truth. You only get one shot at this life. Time will pass whether you face reality or not. The question is, will you grow with it or stay the same? Don't just exist. Don't just age. Don't just wait. Grow. Face truth. Understand reality. That's how you become unstoppable. If this message hit you, if it woke something up inside you, like this video, subscribe for more life-changing rules, and share this with someone you know needs to hear it. Because people don't grow with time. They grow by understanding reality. And your reality starts now.